Hello, in this video I want to show you how to crop out the background and replace it with any image you want. So, let's start. First we need to duplicate our image layer. Then go to the image adjustments, hue, saturation, and make the image black and white. After that go to the image adjustments, levels. We need to make the background as white as possible but without losing the silhouette of a girl. Grab the pen tool and select all the white areas. And on a new layer make this selection black. Let's zoom in and fill out all little white areas that are left. Merge the two layers. Go to their channels and select one of the channels. Disable our black and white layer and invert the selection. Hit mask layer. Let's check out if everything is clear and not too muddy. In order to do that we need to create a background layer with some neutral color. You can always select the mask, grab the brush tool, and correct all the unwanted areas. White means add and black means delete. That's pretty good. The next thing we need to do is open our background image and drag it under the image layer. Duplicate image layer and hit apply a layer mask. Duplicate it 2 times. Go to the hue saturation and adjust its color to match the background image lightning. And make it darker. Go to the next layer and do the same but without making it darker. Then go to their channels, select the green channel, invert the selection and click delete a couple of times. Then to the next layer do the same with hue saturation. Go to channels, select the green channel, create a new layer, select the brush tool, and draw the lightning. Select the layer but with holding the Ctrl key and click on the layer thumbnail with the left mouse button, then invert the selection and click delete. Duplicate this new layer and play around with the opacities to make sure it feels natural. Now we need to amplify background lights a little bit. Duplicate background layer and make it darker with Curves tool. You can access it with Ctrl+M. Do the same with another layer. Then go to the blur, Gaussian blur, and apply it to the layer. Do the same with another layer too. We forgot to delete unwanted lights outside of the girl layer. Click on layer thumbnail with Ctrl+ left mouse button, invert the selection and click delete. So the next thing we need to do is select our background layer and change its blending mode to linear dodge add. Let's check out everything and adjust opacities as needed. We can make our first image layer even darker. Always play around with the opacities throughout the process to make it natural looking. So now we need to add some rim light. Select the silhouette. Create a new layer on top of all layers. Then grab the brush tool and draw some lights on the edge. Change blending mode to linear dodge. Duplicate the layer and add some Gaussian blur on it. Then go to the background layer and select the red channel. Create a new layer on the top. And add some light with the brush tool. Add a little bit of blur on it and change blending mode to linear dodge. Play around with opacities. Duplicate it. Select the silhouette with the Ctrl+ left mouse button, go to the top layer and hit delete. Grab the ambient light layer and drag it on top of the direct light layer. Select it with Ctrl+ left click, create a new layer and draw the highlights with the brush tool. Ctrl+ left click, invert the selection and hit delete. A few adjustments after that and that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like that.